Hello, my name is Eric White, and today we're going to talk about how to obtain HTML from a PDF format. First thing you're going to want to do is open up Adobe Acrobat. You're going to get this Getting Started page. You're going to go ahead and click on Create PDF. We're going to create PDF from a file, and then I'm going to choose a PDF source file. Now this next part takes a moment. What it's doing is it's reading that file in. There it goes. So now we have a PDF. So we want to obtain HTML from a PDF. So what we're going to do is go to File, Save As, then we're going to choose HTML in the drop-down, and then hit Save. Now I saved that right into the PDF source directory. So if I go to my desktop and I go to my PDF source files directory, there's the HTML. If I right click it and then open with WordPad, there's the HTML. And that's how you obtain HTML from a PDF file.